Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and watchOS 6 has been released, bringing a ton of new features and of course new watch faces as well. So in this video we're taking a look at all the new watch faces on watchOS 6. Starting off with the first one called California, which is this one right here. It is full screen. As you can see, it makes the watch look really big. Now let's go ahead and see the custom options here for this watch face. So on the first page here you can go ahead and of course change the numbers right there. So we'll have different styles of numbers that you can add to this watch face. On the second page here you can change from circular to the full screen mode. You can see right there it offers also the circular, which of course also has the complications right there. So once you go to circular you will have also your complications right there on the watch face. That's really awesome. And then you will have the color, so you can switch between different colors here, and you can see you have like the blue, and then you have the white one, and then all the other ones are black, and just like the numbers, colors will change right there as you scroll down. And of course if you use the circular you will have all these all these complications on the watch face right here. So you will have 4 of them on the sides right here, and then you will have another one right there in the middle. Now if you use the full screen mode, then it will be different. You will have just 2 complications right here in the middle of the watch face. So one at the top right there and another one right here at the bottom. The second one for the video is called Modular Compact, and this one adds a ton of information to your watch right here. On the watch face you will see like a few complications. You can have the clock here, then you have the complication, you can add your weather right here. Really awesome. A ton to have right here on the screen. A lot of information with this new watch face. Now as you can see, this is the Modular Compact. You go to customize right here and you can go ahead and change between different styles of the clock right there. So you will have the analog one, you have digital one right there at the top, and then when scrolling to the second page you can go ahead and from here change of course the color of the clock and all that. And then on the third one you can go ahead and change the complications. So you will have 2 right there at the top, which of course you can change with the scroll wheel, and then right here at the bottom you can go ahead and change between a few complications. Like you can have the weather right there. The weather looks absolutely the best there, and then you can also have the noise app right there, which measures the noise, the sound on an ambient. That's really cool as well. And of course you can have much more here. You can have your heart rate monitor. Everything right there looks really nice. It has a ton of space right there and puts quite a lot of information right there on the Apple Watch. The next watch face for this video is called Solar Dial, and this one is kind of unique. You can see it is really awesome. You will have the sun there, and you can see it will move of course with time. Now it doesn't offer a lot of customization options, so if you go to customize it you will only have like 2 options. You will have this little clock right here, which you can change from digital to analog, and then on the second page all you can do is just go ahead and change your complications. But as you will see right there, they will stay blue. So the solar dial will stay like this. You cannot change its color or change its shape. It will stay just like this with this color, and you can only customize the complications that you have on the side of the solar dial watch face. The next one is called Gradient, and this one is pretty interesting. As you can see, it's full screen. You will have this gradient style right here, and you will see how it moves. Those are the second. It looks like really nice. It doesn't have any complications. As you can see on the Apple Watch, is very simple, very minimal, but it offers quite like a few customization options right here. So on the first one right here, of course you can change the color and choose the color that you like. You can see here some pretty cool colors, and then of course you will have another option right here which you can go ahead and change to different styles. So you can see here you have 2 different styles to change from, and then on the third page you can go ahead and switch from full screen to circular. Now if you move to circular then you will have more customization options. So on the full screen you won't have any complications on the Apple Watch app face right here, but with the circular you will have them. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and customize your complications that you have on this watch face, but on the full screen there are no complications. So you can see right here, no complications have been enabled for the full screen mode of the gradient one, but it looks really cool. If you want to have like a minimal style, you can use this watch face on your Apple Watch on watchOS 6. Another minimal one is Numerals Duo. So this is really cool. You can see right here it shows just big numbers, two big numbers, the hour and the minutes right here and nothing else. Of course you can customize it. Go to customize right here and you will have a few options, so you can change like different number styles. You can have different number styles right here. You have like 3 of them, and then on the second one you can go ahead and change the style. So you can see you can make all of them filled with color or just outline them. This like this looks really nice. So let's just go for the purpose of the colors. Let's go to the full, and then right here you can change the color of the clock. So you can see like when you change the color, you go to, for example, green or blue, it will change the color of both of them, but it will add like different shades of right here of blue. It will add a different shade, you can see, on the number of the hour right there, and a different shade of blue on the number of the minutes right here. So it looks really nice. Of course it has this nice minimalistic look and it looks really cool. The next one for the video is called Numerals Mono. Now what this does is that it only adds one number, the number of the hour, on the watch face, and then the rest of course will be just the clock right here, but only the number will be in the background, just one number, the number of the hour, no minutes. So if you go to customize it right here, you will see a few options. You can change between different number styles as well. You can see this Roman one. This is really cool. And on the second page right here, of course, you can change the different styles. You can go ahead and fill that up or just leave it like this outlined. And of course, on the third one, you will also have like different styles for the color. Here you can go ahead and change the color, and once you're done, you can see right there, this looks really awesome. That big Roman numeral right there on the background makes it look really cool. And last but not least is my favorite watch face of watchOS 6. It's called Meridian. This one is really awesome. It is full screen, as you can see. I really love these watch faces that are like full screen. They make the watch look way bigger and much nicer. So right here you can see you will have the clock, of course, and then you will have like 4 complications that you can add right there. Let's go to customize, and from here we will have a bunch of options. So the first one right here will be, of course, the colors of the watch face. So you can switch from the white to the black. So you will have here the options, white or black, no other options. The second one right here will be the colors of the complication. So you can see right there, you can switch the colors of all the complications right here. And of course, the first one right here, you can see is multicolor, and then you can go ahead and just add one color to the complications. And then the third one is, of course, the place where you change the complications that you have on this watch face. And this one, I really like it. It looks really cool, and the option to change the colors of the complications makes it look really nice, and of course look much in place right here. The complication don't just pop up, they look more in place right here with this watch face. You can add all of these new watchOS 6 watch faces to your Apple Watch very easily, simply by going to the Apple Watch app and go to the faces gallery right here, and at the top you will find new in watchOS, and right here are all these watch faces that I just mentioned in my video. So here you have all of them. You want to add one to your Apple Watch, of course, you can go ahead and just simply tap add, and you can then later customize it on the Apple Watch, or you can go ahead and even customize it right here. Just one, the last one that I showed you, is not here. So you can see there are 6, one is missing. I will show you how to get that on your Apple Watch right now. The only watch face missing right there on the Apple Watch app on the iPhone is this one called Meridian. So to add it, just go ahead and go to your watch face, just force touch on it and just scroll all the way to the end. Here tap the plus button, and from here you will be able to scroll between different watch faces, and right here you will be able also to find this one called Meridian, which is not available on the app. I don't know why. Hopefully that will be fixed, but it's not there, and you can find it right here, right on the Apple Watch. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. These are all the new watch faces on watchOS 6. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead, install watchOS 6 on your device. Just make sure you first install iOS 13 on your iPhone before installing watchOS 6 on your Apple Watch, because you need to have iOS 13 in order to use watchOS 6. As you can see here, Apple has added some really beautiful watch faces on watchOS 6. I hope you guys enjoy all of them. For more watchOS 6 videos, make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a like on the video and comment what's your favorite watch face on watchOS 6. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.